God Teaching Bible Journaling. You will need a Bible, a journal, a pencil, some markers to start Bible journaling. First, start reading the Bible and then highlight the passage that resonates with you and then write it in your journal. 3 reasons to start doing Bible journaling. Number 1, stress relief. When you spend time reflecting on the Bible and then express yourself creatively, it works like therapy and allows you to remove all the negative feelings and charge your body with positivity. Number 2, enhanced focus and retention. Reading the Bible and then writing it in your journal requires focus and retention. When you concentrate on the Bible, God makes you forget about your worries and problems. It feels like getting a hug from God. Number 3, self-discovery. When you write Bible verses that connects with you in your journal, it allows you to deepen your understanding with yourself. You can always look back and read what you wrote in the past to see how far you have come. This will allow you to create an unbreakable bond with God.